we need to pull up our socks and make sure that people out there are getting what they need in terms of service delivery. So if you are employed and you are a manager, you are not sitting in the office. It means you must once do exactly what they did yesterday, to go out and see for themselves what is happening on the ground. So in a nutshell, I am actually appreciating what happened yesterday and what is going to be happening this entire Public Service Week, where we are going to be seeing our senior officials physically wearing overalls and boots and going out and seeing for themselves. I wish I could be part of this. Because whenever one talks about call center, for instance, you don't really know what is happening at the call center. What challenges those people who are working at the call center are having. I'm just citing but one example. OMM was citing the issue of meter reading, which has caused us serious problems. So unless you go there and feel what it is to do the meter reading, you won't be able to say to those people, hey, you are wrong here. Do ABC to correct whatever challenges you have. So in a nutshell, I'm really appreciating what the management has done, and it must not be a once-off thing. We really need to pull up our socks. So guys, please do this often and keep it up. From the political aspect, we are really appreciating what you are doing. And if we work like this, really we'll go places. And as Oku, we will be able to pride ourselves and say, here we are really hands-on. We are not just managing desks and offices, but we are managing work out there. Thank you very much.
Maybe I can just ask on a point of information, exactly how does it work? Do all the departments get an opportunity for other departments' reps to come to them and then see what is happening there, or exactly how does it work? Is there a roster that you follow?
The roster that we have developed to roll out this program is based mainly on the level of exposure of a unit to the external customers. We're focusing mainly on the frontline service, that is where our staff are interacting directly with the staff, and also where the processes are affecting the level of customer satisfaction at the end, which is, I will quote meter reading, I will quote our vacuum tanker services, our sanitation services, but we also look at the trends of complaints from the public regarding that particular service. Then we identify those sites. Then how we allocate managers to go and work on those sites. We make sure that the manager in charge of that particular section does not go and work there on MISPA Service Week. We get somebody else who will have an independent and clear view of what is happening without necessarily having an opportunity to manipulate the whole process. So when we deploy them, they're not going there to supervise the workers. They're going there to work as the workers. So they experience first the challenges that are being experienced by the employees themselves, and also having an external view, that is now the customer perspective of if the customer is interacting with this unit, how are they feeling, how are they being treated. Hence, we've identified the call center, all our reception areas, the meter reading, the billing section, vacuum tanker services, and we're spreading it throughout the district. I hope that answers your question.